we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of DxInvb wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. That's include screen mirroring video/audio to big screen. This wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver is an efficient and convenient tool that enables seamless docking between devices and big screens. It is designed to wirelessly transmit 1080p HD video and audio to large screen displays. It uses Wi-Fi transmission technology to synchronize images/videos on laptops, PCs, mobile phones and set-top boxes to HDTVs. Projectors or displays through a point-to-point connection between the transmitter and receiver. Plug and play. Our wireless HDMI extender does not require any app. Just connect the transmitter, TX, to the HDMI output port of the source device, such as laptop, PC, mobile phone, and more. And connect the receiver, RX, to the HDMI input port of the large screen display. A wireless connection will be established between the transmitter and the receiver, through which the video and audio signals are transmitted, solving the pain points of traditional HDMI cables. 1080p HD movie experience. Using this 1080p HD HDMI wireless transmitter and receiver, you can create a private theater effect at home, enjoy a delicate and smooth visual experience, and get excellent picture quality and sound effects. Whether watching movies, TV shows or playing games, this wireless transmitter and receiver can bring you a more immersive and shocking audio-visual enjoyment. Wireless transmission up to 98 feet/30 meters. This HDMI wireless video transmitter receiver has a built-in 2.4/5 GHz dual-band high-speed antenna, allowing you to wirelessly transmit audio and video signals to HDMI displays in an obstacle-free environment, with a transmission range of up to 98 feet/30 meters at the same time. It also has the advantage of fast connection. Once the device establishes a connection, you only need to wait about 5 to 10 seconds to automatically complete the connection. Wide compatibility. This wireless HDMI kit has wide compatibility and is suitable for a variety of scenarios and devices. The USB-C mirror adapter, TX, port is compatible with most HDMI output devices, such as laptops, desktop computers, mobile phones and more. In addition, the USB interface of the TX port supports OTG devices such as mouse, keyboard, USB flash drive and more. IT provides portability and versatility. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.